Viewers, without wasting any time, first I'm going to show you a YouTube channel called Angry Objects. Yes, viewers, this channel currently has around 28.5k subscribers with only 21 uploaded videos. Now let's go to the popular section, and I'll show you the views one by one. As you can see, almost every video has 100k plus views, and many of them have even crossed millions of views. So today, we're going to create the same type of viral videos with similar characters. First, I want you to carefully explore this channel. Look at all their uploaded videos one by one. You'll notice that every video is extremely unique, highly engaging, and trending. Now let me open one of their videos. You can see how creatively this video is made. For example, the bubblegum style animation, and even cleaning tips content presented in a very engaging way. Everything is so creative, so trending, and so satisfying to watch. So today, we're going to recreate this style using AI. Now let's go back. The first step is very important. You need to take screenshots of your favorite scenes, the ones you like the most or find interesting. Take around 6 to 7 screenshots. I'm also taking my favorite scenes one by one, and you should do the same. Once done, we'll move to the next step. Now, I'll open Canva. As you already know, we need to combine all images into one single image because ChatGPT has limitations on multiple image uploads. So here, I'll paste all the screenshots and arrange them in a sequence format. After arranging, I'll download this final combined image. Now let's move to ChatGPT. I'll upload the image here. After uploading, I'll write this prompt. I want to create the same type of images and videos. Give me exact similar prompts in 3D picture style. Generate 10 unique prompts. Then I simply click Generate. Within a few seconds, you can see that it provides both image prompts and video prompts for each scene. Now look carefully. All prompts are extremely unique, detailed, and closely matched to the original concept. For example, cleaning scenes, dirty, angry objects, crying objects, satisfying transformations. This proves that these prompts are highly trending and powerful. And honestly, this is one of the easiest and smartest methods to generate viral prompts, something that very few people actually share. All you have to do is take screenshots, combine them, give a simple prompt, and you can generate unlimited ideas in any niche. Now our prompts are ready. Next step, image generation. I'll copy the first prompt. And as you already know, I use PicLumen because it is 100% free and gives daily credits. Now click on the image generator option, paste your prompt, and click Generate. Within seconds, you can see our first image is ready, and it looks super high quality and amazing. Now I'll repeat the same process for the second, third, and fourth prompts. I won't waste your time showing every step, but I just want to show you one thing. The results are extremely accurate, visually stunning, and even better than the original ideas. Now after generating all images, you can see the final results. All images are unique, trending, high quality, perfectly aligned with the prompts. Now download all the images one by one and save them, because in the next step, we will convert them into video. And don't worry, I'll show you a completely free tool for video creation as well. So let's move to the most important step in today's tutorial. All right, viewers. First of all, I want to clarify something important. You may have seen that I previously used Grok AI to generate videos. Let me quickly show you something. Here I go to Grok AI, click on the image option, and try to upload an image. Then I give it a prompt to convert this image into a video. But as you can see, it doesn't work properly, so don't worry at all. Today, I've brought an amazing tool for you that is completely free and gives you at least 150 credits daily. And the tool is called Flow AI. Viewers, this tool is absolutely amazing and currently very trending. Now simply click on the Create New Project option. Once you click, you can see the interface is now open. On the side, you can also see that we have 150 credits available. Inside this project, you can generate unlimited images for free and also convert them into videos. Now, if you use the 3.1 quality option, it's a bit expensive, but if you use the 3.1 fast option, it only costs around 20 credits per video. So first, we need to upload our image, because this tool works by converting images into videos. Now I select my first image and upload it. As you can see, the image is now ready. After that, I simply convert this image into a video by giving it a good prompt, which I already generated using ChatGPT. I copy the prompt, paste it here, and click Generate. After waiting for a few seconds, you can see my first video is ready. And just look at the result. It's absolutely amazing. And the best part? It even generates the video with voiceover automatically. Yes, viewers, you don't even need to add voiceover separately. Now I upload my second image. After uploading, I paste the prompt again and click Generate. After a short wait, you can see my second video is ready. For example, this burger scene with fries jumping, and it looks incredibly engaging. This clearly shows that this tool is extremely powerful and delivers high-quality results. Honestly, this is one of the best and most trending tools right now. Now I upload my third image. Again, I paste the prompt and generate the video. Similarly, I repeat this process for the fourth and fifth images. I won't waste your time by showing every step, but I generate all videos one by one using the same method. After a short wait, you can see all my images have now been converted into videos. Let me show you one by one. Each video is smooth, high quality, fully animated, with voiceover. For example, the water scene looks amazing, the egg animation is very engaging, and all other videos are equally impressive. Now here's an important advantage. On Grok, you can only download videos in 480p quality, but with this tool, you can download videos in 720p HD quality. Now, I'll download all the videos one by one in 720p. After that, we move to the final step. Now we need to combine all these videos into a sequence. For that, I open CapCut. I import all the videos and arrange them in sequence. Then I make some basic adjustments. Remove unwanted logos. Adjust timing. Arrange clips properly. After setting everything, I preview the final result. As you can see, my short video of around 40 seconds is completely ready, and it looks extremely engaging, unique, and trending. Now I export this video in 4K quality. After a short wait, you can see the final video is ready.
Why did you do this to me? It hurts so much.
This method is very easy, 100% free, highly effective for viral content. So viewers, I hope you really enjoyed today's video and learned something valuable. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.